Most contractors think all field service apps are basically the same. But here's the truth no one tells you. The difference between Jobber and QuoteIQ can completely change how fast you grow, how you manage customers, and how much time you waste every week. In this video, you'll get a clear 2026 comparison between Jobber and QuoteIQ, what each one is built for, where they shine, and which one actually fits your contracting business. Let's get straight into it. First, what are these tools actually for? Jobber and QuoteIQ are both designed for service-based contractors. That includes HVAC, plumbing, cleaning, landscaping, and other home service businesses. They help you manage leads, quotes, scheduling, customers, and payments. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though they overlap, they are built with very different priorities. Let's start with Jobber. Jobber is focused on operational control. It helps you schedule jobs, manage teams, send invoices, and keep your day-to-day work organized. A contractor like Jake running a small HVAC business can easily schedule jobs, assign technicians, and send invoices without confusion. The biggest strength here is structure. Everything is organized in a clean workflow. But here's the problem. Jobber is not heavily focused on marketing or lead generation. It helps you run your business, but not necessarily grow it aggressively. Now, let's look at QuoteIQ. QuoteIQ is more focused on helping contractors get more leads, create quotes faster, and close more jobs. It is built with a sales and growth mindset. A contractor like Alex trying to scale a pressure washing or landscaping business can use QuoteIQ to quickly generate estimates, send professional quotes, and follow up with potential customers. Now, here's where it gets interesting. QuoteIQ is not just about managing jobs. It is about helping you win more jobs. But here's the catch. It is not as deep as Jobber when it comes to full operational management like scheduling large teams or managing complex workflows. Let's compare quoting and estimates. QuoteIQ is extremely strong in this area. It is built to make quoting fast, simple, and visually appealing. You can send estimates quickly and increase your chances of closing deals. A contractor like John can send a quote right after a site visit and follow up instantly while the lead is still warm. Jobber also offers quoting features, but they are more structured and tied into full job management rather than pure sales speed. Now let's talk scheduling. Jobber clearly wins here. It gives you a detailed calendar view, team assignments, and job tracking. QuoteIQ offers scheduling too, but it is more basic compared to Jobber's system. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your business relies heavily on field operations and multiple technicians, Jobber gives you more control. Let's talk automation and follow-ups. QuoteIQ is strong in customer follow-ups and lead nurturing. It helps you stay in touch with prospects so you do not lose jobs after sending a quote. Jobber focuses more on job updates and internal communication rather than aggressive sales follow-ups. Now let's talk mobile experience. Both platforms are mobile-friendly. Field workers can view jobs, update status, and communicate from the field. But Jobber feels more structured for daily operations, while QuoteIQ feels more sales-driven and quote-focused. Now here's the key insight most contractors miss. Jobber helps you run your business smoothly. QuoteIQ helps you grow your business faster. So which one is better? If your biggest problem is staying organized, managing teams, and handling daily operations, Jobber is the stronger choice. If your biggest problem is getting more leads, sending better quotes, and closing more deals, QuoteIQ may be the better fit. Now here's the turning point. Many growing contractors actually use both together. One for operations, one for sales. But if you must choose only one, your decision depends on your bottleneck, not the features list. To wrap it up clearly, Jobber is best for operational control and team management. QuoteIQ is best for quoting speed and sales growth. Both are powerful, but they solve different problems in 2026. If this comparison helped you understand the difference, hit like so more contractors can see it. Subscribe for more honest software breakdowns. And comment below what tools you want compared next so you can make smarter decisions without wasting time or money.